Ladies and gentlemen, how are you guys doing? Welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo ROJAS, your personal bartender, with another fun cocktail. So do me a favor, get the pen and paper, and let's start writing down this amazing recipe. Today we're gonna be making the Pear Lychee Martini. Stay with me, let me show you how we do it. Excellent, so the Pear Lychee Martini. So, well, first of all, let's try to see what's going on with this thing. This is the Lychee Fruit. This is actually the southeastern, if I remember well, the southeast of China. And it is a very, how can I say it? It's a very interesting fruit. I mean, the way that it actually comes in is a really hard shell, kind of like a red color, really hard to find. I was in my search to looking for some fresh lychee, and I could not find any. So I end up buying it in a can from Asian market. So that'll be your best call. And that being said, well, I read in one of the groups that I am in social media that it makes a perfect martini with this guy, with a pear, with a pear vodka. And well, we're gonna put that to the test today. So let's follow me on this one. First of all, we're gonna be using 2 to 3 lychees, and we're gonna muddle them. So let's get some. Breaking down this guy for some flavor in our martini. Sometimes these ones, these little guys, they tend to be like a really sweet. So I won't recommend you guys to try to put any kind of like a simple syrup. Instead of that, what you can do is just add a quarter or half of an ounce of the juice of the lychee. Then, let's go for 1 ounce and 3/4 of absolute pear vodka. Follow by some dry vermouth, and we're gonna go for half of an ounce. And just to finalize it and make it a little extra Asian, let's put some Canton Domaine ginger liqueur. Let's go for a half an ounce as well. Put some ice. And let's give it a shake. Production is looking at me like, I want to try that. Nice and chill. Perfect. Let's get a nice previously chilled martini glass. And let's proceed to do a double straight. For the garnish, we're gonna put 1 skewer lychee and a few drops of fresh lemon. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Your Pear Lychee Martini. If you like what you see, if you like what you drink, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share the love, share the videos, and have a good time. Cheers.